Good morning, everyone. So in the last class, we have identified some observations and I have sent those observations in the group also. So some observations are related to admin functionality in the UI and some observations are related to orders, customer, like that. So we have several observations in the previous classes. So I have given the task also. Kannan worked on the order module related issues. Tejal worked on the customer module issues. Sadanand worked on admin module. Rajeshwar worked on admin module backend. Okay. So guys, did you complete code integration in the Git repository for both front end and back end?
Yes, yes, Ashok.
Yes.
So
Okay.
actually, me, Tejal, and Sahil worked together
Okay.
Monday morning, and we checked in the code.
Okay, that's great. Now let me go and take the code from Git repository. Product API, I think there is nothing to take update. Product API is already there in our Git repository.
Yes, yes.
So just let me take a git pull command to see are there any latest code changes in the backend, right? So I'm using git pull command for the product API. Nothing is there, it is up to date. Now let me come back and go to 02 orders API. Now I'm executing git pull command. It is saying that I have some local changes, so that's the reason it is not allowing me to commit. I think it is related to the properties file. Orders API is available. I need to open that orders API. Yes. In the orders API, in the properties file, I made some changes regarding these razor pay keys. So that's why it is not allowing me to take the latest code. No. So in order to take the git pull, it is saying that boss, in your local some changes are available. So you can't take the pull directly. Either you need to commit your changes or you need to stash the changes before you are merging. So for that, I am going to use git stash command. Whatever the changes are there in my working tree, they will go to the temp area and my working tree will become clean. Nothing is there in the working tree. Now I'm using git pull command in order to fetch the latest code changes. Yes, I got the latest code changes from Git repository. So I need to change my username and password here and database also. Ashok IT underscore ecom. Right? Fine. Orders API, I'm able to take the latest code. Next, coming to third project, which is customer API, Git status. Here also there are some files which are modified. I will try to execute git pull command. Yeah, same problem. It is saying that your local changes are available. Let me use git stash and let me take the git pull. So I'm getting latest code changes from this customer API as well. Perfect. Next, let me go back to admin API, cd space 04 admin API, git status, nothing to commit. Let me do git pull. Yes, so develop branch is there. It is saying up to date. I think the code might be changed in the develop branch. Fine. Okay, we have these applications next. Let me go to my front end application and let me take the latest code from the front end. E-commerce front end application. Open the git bash and I need to take pull command. Before going to take the pull command, I am using git status. I'm checking is there anything in the working tree. So the status is clean, nothing to commit. Only I need to take the update. So I'm using git pull command.
Ashok sir, my changes are not there.
Okay, your changes.
Actually, sir, I achieved the goal, but it's not working as expected. So,
Which functionality?
the admin one.
Admin one. Okay, I think in admin dashboard component HTML, your changes might be there in the develop branch.
No, I have not merged it to the developer main branch. I have not uploaded anything till now.
Okay. Sure, we'll see that. So in the UI, some changes happened. Admin app component, checkout, comments, order details, forgot password, login details, services. I think many changes happened to the Angular application, guys. So I have taken the pull. Now I need to run all these applications and I need to see how they are working. Okay. Now, so first let me go to the product API, then import other projects also, recent projects, admin API, recent projects, admin API. Yeah. So product API is available, orders API is available. I need to configure my database properties here in the properties file. Database username and password is available. Same thing, go to orders API, SRC main resources properties file. My database username and password we need to configure. Okay, this Razorpay key is correct. In the orders API, we have Razorpay key. I think same thing we need to keep in the Angular application also.
Yeah, Ashok, this will not work. So I have the latest one. Can I share?
Yeah, please.
1 minute. Yeah, I shared you the latest one.
Yeah, sure. Then I have updated the latest keys here, orders API. Okay. And the next one, we need to open the customer API. Yeah, I opened the customer API properties file. I need to update the data source properties.
Actually, I removed the SMTP property. Should I send you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I shared you the
Okay.
SMTP properties.
Yeah, guys, I have updated this customer API properties file. And let me go to admin API. In admin API, Guys, 1 minute. Yeah, fine, guys. I have all the backend APIs in my system. Okay, now I need to run these APIs. So first, let me go with the product API and let me see, is it working as expected or not? Go to the start class of our application and let me run this. Fine. Then next one, orders API. So let me go to this orders API and let me start this. I have updated all the properties here and I'm trying to run this orders API. Okay, next one, customer API is available. In the customer API also, we have updated the database properties and SMTP properties. Let me start this application now. Yes. So product API is running. Then next one, orders API. Think it is still not started yet. And the customer API, it is getting started. Go to admin API. So we need to start this application. SRC main resources. Start class is available. And let me run this one. In the admin API, start this project. Perfect. Customer API is starting. Admin API is started. Then customer API is also started. So with this, all the 4 APIs are ready. Product API running on 8080 and orders API running on 9090. Then customer API running on 8082 port number is available and admin API running on 8084 port number. So as we have seen in the previous diagram, our backend APIs are running and 4 APIs are running in the backend. 4 APIs are running on 4 different port numbers, guys. So if you observe now, product API running on the port number 8080, order API running on the port number 9090, customer running on 8082, admin running on 8084. So all the backend APIs are running as expected. Then next one, so let me go to our front end application, ng serve command. Okay, I'm executing this ng serve command. My front end application is getting started as expected. Fine guys, so my application is started. Now let's try to access that application. Localhost colon 4200. Yeah, I'm accessing this application. Fine, good. All right, guys, so we have our application ready. Now mobiles are loading, laptops are loading, groceries, shirts, fine. Nothing is available here. Let me click on add to cart. So cart is added.
Here,
We can update and we can remove from the cart. Fine. That is working as expected. Now go to login page. So in the login page, we have sign up and forget password. Okay. So you can log in here. Suppose if I give some wrong details and if I check the password, then I'm getting a message invalid credentials. So let me go for sign up. I'm giving the name something like robot password, robot at the rate 123, then robot at the rate gmail.com. I'm giving some wrong dummy details and I want to insert the record. Okay, so I am opening my database to see is it working as expected or not. The registration functionality I want to verify. Connect with the database. Use our database. Select star from customer. Yeah, already 7 records available. Robot record is already there. I think I need to give the different mail ID, or else let me give the different user. Instead of robot, I'm giving something like Charles. Charles at the rate 123. Charles at the rate gmail.com. Click on register. Successfully registered. Go to database. Select a star from customer. Yeah. Charles record is inserted. Charles at the rate gmail.com. Charles at the rate 123. Fine. Registration completed. Now login. So let me go to Charles at the rate gmail.com and Charles at the rate 123. So Charles logged in successfully. It is changed to logout and orders found. Currently for the Charles, no orders are available. So this is fine. Next, once I go to the logout here, forgot password option. If I give the wrong email ID and it is saying, please enter valid email ID. Suppose if I give the correct mail ID, then what is the behavior of the forgot password? Let us verify. I logged in into my Gmail account. Okay, now I want to see, am I getting forgot password email or not? Click on forgot password. I'm giving valid mail ID, send email. So I did not get any success message. I'm checking for the forgot password mail now. Yeah, I got the email for the forgot password now. I got the email for the forgot password. Let me open this. Yeah, password reset request is there. So click here to reset your password. Fine. So click on this. So it is opening a page where I can reset my password. Let me give the password as 4321 and confirm the password 4321. Reset the password. Password updated. Please try to log in now. Check in the database. Earlier my password is 1234. Now is that password updated or not? Yes, password is updated. You got the password as 4321. So that means the password updation is also working as expected. Fine. Now let me check the cart functionality. Add to cart.
Ashok,
Okay.
Ashok, here you have to update the key in the
Okay.
yes,
In the properties file, I need to update my key. That is Razorpay key will be available. Go to the properties file. Let me take this Razorpay key and go to our front-end application. In which file it is there? Checkout.ts.
yes, yeah, checkout component dot ts.
Checkout component.ts.
Initiate this.
Done. I have updated the Razorpay key here. Application is getting restarted. Let me stop and start it. ng serve command. Yes, guys. So application is restarted. Let me go back to the application and let me add the product to the cart. Add to the cart. Go to the cart. Items are available. Proceed to checkout. Let me give the details. I'm giving Ashok my email ID, which is already there in the system. With this mail ID, already my account is there. Okay. I'm an existing customer. I'm trying to place the order now. Click on place order. No thanks. In the order API, I got the exception. Field price does not have default value. Guys, did you test the order API?
Yes, so it is working for me.
Actually, there is some problem in the column name, I think so. Can you check that? Because even I changed it in my,
Okay, let me check here.
yeah, over.
So which
So
one you saying? Which column?
start from orders, total price, total quantity,
Somewhere there is price over in some, I think so in admin API.
order tracking number is generated now. Yeah, order is inserted in the database. Go to the customer table. Yeah, another record is not created. Customer ID 4. With that customer ID, order is generated. Now the order is created, a tracking number also got. Total price, quantity, customer ID, somewhere we are getting an exception in the order API.
Okay, if I check my Git status, the
Order
only
item.
properties are
Yeah, in the order item entity, there is a issue. Go to order item.
Here is unit price and in admin API, can you check the column name?
Yes, yes. Order item unit price is available.
Yeah, here is here is price.
Product name, quantity, and price. So the entities are mismatching. Here it is unit price. In the admin API,
yeah. So I pinged the entity for the order item. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Unit price. So the column name is wrong. In the order item table, go to order item. Yes, there is a column called price available. It should be unit price. So let me change the table structure.
Yeah, Ashok, actually, we have changed the structure also. Better if you can drop the tables.
Yeah, it's better. I need to drop the complete database.
Yeah, complete database and you can create. Not database, better you can drop only the customer address, order, and order item. Then the products will not display right for you.
Yeah, okay. Truncate the table.
First, you need to drop the order items, then order, and then address and customer.
Drop the table. Order items dropped.
So in real time, we face this issue that if everyone is working on different microservice, then they have different column.
Order is dropped. Customer is also dropped. Okay. So with this, I have dropped all the tables to avoid this columns issues, guys. Now here, use this and show the tables. What are the tables available? Now I have only product and product category tables. Product and product category tables I have taken. Product name, order item is having product name.
There
Fraud.
change in the product and product category.
Okay. Fraud name is available. I think there is a mismatch.
You can just copy the entire thing.
Yes. I need to restart all my services. New tables will be created with the latest structure.
Yeah, Ashok, you have taken this order API from Git repo only, right?
Yes.
Okay, because for me it is showing us only the property file change, but how come for you the order item that field is mismatching? I'm not sure.
If you see here, order API, git bash. I have taken the latest code. Is it there in the develop branch or main branch?
No, we have only one branch, main branch for order API.
Okay. The main branch is available. I think I have taken the latest code.
Or you can put the git status, something like that. Git status.
Git status. Only application properties I
Yeah,
change.
yeah. For me also it is showing the same thing. So only
You must have changed at the end something or removed the properties file,
Correct.
that
yeah,
configuration.
okay. So apart from property file, we are checking is there any other change.
No, I think we are good now. Let me go to product API. Let me start it. So now the new tables should be created in the database. Product and product category already available. No need to worry about it. Yeah, it is getting started. Now let me start order application, order API. Table should be created. Show tables. Yeah. Table got created for orders, order and order item, customer address. All the tables are created. Okay. Next, go to customer API and start this. Similarly, admin API. Now our tables are empty. There is no order available. There is no order item available. There is no customer available. There is no address available. Select the star from orders, no records, order item, no records, customer, no records, address, no records. So everything is empty. Only we have the products now. Okay. Let me go to the front end application. Yeah, we are able to get the categories and we are able to get the products. Add the products to the cart. Now go here, proceed to checkout. So it is asking the details. So let me give my valid mail ID, name, email, phone number, address details. Click on place order. When I place the order, customer record is not available. So customer is inserted, address inserted, orders inserted, order item also inserted. The payment page is opened. Now go to database, select star from orders. One order is created, current status is created. Okay, razor pay order ID generated. Go to order item table. Yeah, so two quantities, order ID available, unit price, product name, product image URL is also available. Now go to customer table. As the record is not available, record is created, password is not coming, password coming as empty. Select star from address, address record also inserted for the given customer ID. Only thing, when the new customer placed the order without login, account is created, but password is not populated. Yeah, now go to the payment page and simply click on some bank. It is loading the payment page now. It is loading the payment page and you can make this payment as success. Okay, when we click on success, it will consider that our payment is completed successfully. After payment is completed successfully, then what is happening? Payment is successful, order ID tracking number is generated and it is displaying the tracking number. Continue shopping. Yes, so when we click on continue shopping, the cart is becoming empty. Okay, now when I log in, first of all, I can't log in directly because for my account, password is not updated. Okay, now I need to reset my password. Click on forget password, give the mail ID. Click on send email. Okay, go to password reset request. Yeah, I got the mail to reset my password. Click on reset password. Yes, new password. Password updated. Now let me log in again. With password, I'm trying to log in. Yes. So once I log in the dashboard, I am getting my order details. Order status is confirmed. Once the payment is successful, order status should be updated in the backend. Yes, order status is initially it is in the created mode. Now it is in the confirmed status. So when I log in, my order history is coming as expected. So this is good now. Admin login, I need to check here. So let me go to admin login functionality, login details. component dot ts. Login is this check if admin login service. So username and password admin@gmail.com admin123. Incorrect details invalid. Okay, good. Admin123. Login. Yeah, so we are able to access admin functionality. So it is displaying all the orders which are available. When I click on view details, so that is not implemented, I think. So admin part is pending. Admin menu should be changed. So as we discussed, once admin login, this menu should not come. And this search page should go to the reports functionality. So who is working on admin functionality? Sadanand, right?
Yes, sir. So can I share my screen?
You want to share your screen?
Yes.
Yeah, please. You can share your screen now.
So, sir, I have developed as per the requirement only, but it's not getting achieved for now. So, suppose if I log in with admin, first I will just go through the code. Okay.
Okay. Have you taken the latest code?
Yes, but not one that the recent one, which Kanan and Tejal has submitted. But I have taken the recent one only. So, see, on the product category, I have by default it will print the product category if there are no rules, if the role is not matching.
Yeah.
This block, the particular block will be displayed when the user role is admin user. So for this, I have maintained in login detail. I have maintained the session storage role as an
Okay.
admin user. If we log in via admin,
Mhm.
and if the login is not an admin user, then it will be a normal user. So in product category dot component, I'm on change and on init. I tried with both the thing. I'm trying to get the user role from session storage dot get roles. And on product category, I'm just using the ngif condition.
Okay.
If we saw the output, I'll log in with the admin user. In session, the user is getting stored, but it is not reflecting on the UI. If we observe the session storage, the role and the value is getting stored, but the on UI, this component is not getting affected.
Okay.
Definition is correct or correct? Definition is correct. Syntax.
And even this the changes which you told, like there will be a different category, so I have done that also. Like firstly it is showing the admin dashboard, and there is a filter option. On filter option you will get the filter result. On admin, you are getting the admin dashboard. There are two different pages for it. Yeah, so this there are two different components which are displaying the filter search and admin dashboard. Just a minute. I will unchange this. See, now, now I am at the filter search. So it is showing the only filter search, and view component. We are getting the view component. Sorry, a view product.
Correct.
Product related to that particular order. And here also I'm facing one issue. Like I'm not able to switch, do it twice, because once the model is closed, it is not resetting its state to the earlier state.
After closing the pop-up, immediately you are not able to see another pop-up.
Yes, like it is not getting reset its original state. These two issues are like firstly, this component is not auto resetting via session, and other thing is like this pop-up is not resetting it to the original state. I tried several solutions, but like it's related to the life cycle of the Angular. So I'm trying to reach out to Vijay sir, but like so these two are the issues which currently I'm facing, sir.
Okay. So whatever is completed, that you can push your code and we will see that what is the issue, why it is not working.
Okay.
Any changes in the backend API?
No, sir. Uh,
I
the
think
one which is done with Rajesh is that's the only change.
no. For view details, I think there is a backend change also, na?
Yes,
Yeah,
like already you have taken at least.
that's okay. That backend change is already there. Okay, let me check it. Admin API controller, admin controller, dashboard, and filter. I think only two methods are there.
Then I think you need to check the recent one because Rajesh made one more endpoint.
Yeah, that is I'm
Fetch
not.
order details.
Did he done in the any other branch? Rajesh, are you there?
No,
And
I think he pushed it into the develop branch.
okay, git pull. Saying the order item is having an issue. Git GUI. So I made the changes to the entity class of order item. Variables are modified.
Dudai.
I will add the file to staging area. Commit and push. I'm pushing the latest code to the main branch. Now git status. Git checkout to develop. Switch to develop branch, then git pull. It's up to date. So the code is there from
You're not
develop
able to
branch.
see your screen.
He given one more endpoint. I think I need to restart it. Yeah, fine. So can you push your front end changes also? Sadanand?
Yeah, sure. Sure, sir.
Yeah, you push the front end changes now. We'll see that one.
But there will be a lots of changes, sir.
No
So
issue.
all the thing.
You have taken the latest code, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can push it.
No, the logout and login is not working. I think so. It's not
That
the
all.
latest.
No,
Sorry.
no. Yes, yes. The recent one, which is shared by Tejal and Kanan, it's not merged yet.
I did not understand.
Because on Friday, on the last class, we discussed to develop it like differently. So I taken the recent one, not the current one which you are using, sir.
Okay, take the latest changes first, then you need to push. Yeah, you can take the latest code now.
Sure, sir.
No, you are outside of the project, man.
No,
So
so this is the repo, like
no,
my
you
current folder.
inside that, right? You are outside of that. Open Git bash here. Close the Git bash. Here you need to execute the command.
So after git start, I need to again git pull, right, sir?
Yes, pull you need to do. Okay. Escape colon WQ. Press escape colon WQ.
Yes, I did.
You got the lot of changes. Now you need to do the git stash apply. There is a chance of getting the conflict because a lot of code changes are there. Yes, you check the conflicts in the admin dashboard, you got the conflict. In the app component, you got the conflict. In the routing, you got the conflict. Okay, take a screenshot of this. So you need to see in which files the conflict is occurred. And you need to go to that file and you need to resolve the conflict one by one. Lot of conflicts got. But check from the starting, where you executed the stash apply. From there, you need to check. First conflict occurred in the admin dashboard component .css file. Go to admin component, see all the files. Yeah, here conflict is there. You need to resolve these conflicts.
Okay. But I think it's a comment part.
Sorry?
It's only the comment thing. The things are commented.
Whatever is there, you remove that. Line number 27, 29, 31. No, not all. Only 27. No, Sadanand, only 27 line you need to remove. Now 28, 30. Yes. Now scroll down and check it. So this here below also you have. Okay, now go to that template HTML file and component.ts. So you got the conflicts there. No, not that one, above message. Git stash. Open the HTML. Yes, here also you have the conflicts.
This whole component has been changed now.
Yes. So that's why always when we are starting our work, we need to take the latest code and we need to start our changes. So if you do the code integration after 3-4 days now, so many changes will be available and integration will become very, very difficult. Now you see, so 3-4 people has done the code changes. Now you have taken the latest code. So if you take the latest code on daily basis, you will not face these many issues. Guys, remember, when we are working in the team, so don't delay code pulls. Git pull, you need to execute every day before starting your work because multiple team members will be working on the same repository, multiple changes they are making. You are working on some complex task, it is taking time for you, then don't wait till your task is completed to take the latest code. Every day you need to take the latest code. Otherwise, you need to deal with the conflicts. Line number 102. Yes. 97. 72. 53 and 72. 48, 53, 72. 75, sorry. Yeah. Now right click and format document. Right click on
It will
the,
auto format.
yes, right click on this and format the document. Okay. Now go to component file. Here I think it's not affected. Okay. Now go to screenshot and check it. Open a screenshot above one, not this one, above. Git stash apply command. After that, it is displaying where the conflicts are available. Open the screenshot again. Go to top, git stash apply. After this, admin dashboard is now go to app.routes.ts. Conflict
We
is,
can identify you like here here also, no? Or
yeah,
we have to observe this thing whole thing.
that's observe that one. That message you need to observe. Conflict in the routing file. Go to the routing file. App.routes.ts. Yes, there is a conflict.
No, don't remove the entire thing. In order details, email was added as a parameter.
Order detail
You just remove the line
emails.
number 23 and 31. Then you see any duplicates are there, we need to check that.
And reset password. In line number 6 also it's there.
Remove the duplicate.
These changes are done by you, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Remove the duplicate constructor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Almost done with all the changes. Product.response, this was newly added. This was also newly added. Yeah, these four files are newly added, sir.
Yeah, Sadanand, all issues are
Yes,
fixed.
yes, sir. Almost all changes were done,
Okay.
and these four files are newly added by me.
Yeah, can you clear this and execute git status command?
Sure, sir.
Execute the git status. Yes, so these are the new files you created and modified files are available. Now execute git GUI. Git GUI, you can open that. Yeah, you can see the files that you need to stage. You review those things now. Push these files. Check the changes and add them to the
Yes, sir.
staging area.
Tejal, like how this will work, this session variable.
It's in the login details component.html. There I'm setting the values.
But okay, this is session storage.
No, I've not
Uh,
added the session
no,
storage.
this is my changes for redirection. For the admin and the like category for this for that one. But here I'm able to see there are this session. There is only a variable
Yeah,
with
this
a
for the
session name.
login logout button.
Okay.
Actually,
Because I'm able to see the admin username admin. That's the reason.
yeah, the dashboard will be changed, right, for admin. That's why I
Yes.
added it.
Because here I'm setting the role for admin user and normal user. But just a set I will check.
Just checking if the admin credentials are matching, then I will navigate it to the admin dashboard.
Yes, got it.
Right.
So why these files are getting red? Like still there are some conflict or because
No,
I'm not able to.
you need to commit and push the changes now.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now, should I commit it or
Commit.
and then push?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Now,
Okay, close it. So now we need to see what are the issues which are there in the admin dashboard. So you pushed your changes. So let me go for git pull. In which branch you pushed? Okay, sorry, this is
develop branch.
develop only. Yes, I got all the latest code changes. So this functionality is not working, right?
Yes, sir.
If that is a normal user, then it should display this product category menu. If it is a admin user, admin category should be loaded. User role, ng role you have taken. User this dot user role session storage console dot log this dot user role on change is there. Is it printing on the console? What is the role that we are using?
Yes, sir. Even we can check it in the like application, the session storage space on the browser.
Hmm. The error is there.
I think you need to add one in the object response, order response. The customer object is missing.
Yeah, can you add that and commit?
I have already done, sir, but I don't think why it is not reflected here only.
I did not get that. So I have taken the pull now. I should get it.
I will share the line, sir.
Order response.ts. Send me that line.
Yes, sir. I have shared.
Then why it is missing in the Git? Now it is loaded. You are facing issue with the admin.
Now the categories are dashboard and filter orders only.
Yes, yes. That's an issue. Like it is not changing dynamically as per the login.
These are also duplicated.
Yes, so now while doing the change, it just a minute.
Okay, when I log out, it should come back to the previous page. The menu should be changed when I click on logout. So Tejal, how you are handling the logout?
Sir, in the login details component.html,
This dot
there I'm setting the session as
null. Where we are redirecting to that when you click on session null?
is there in login details component.ts?
Login component.ts on submit. It is there.
No, sorry. HTML.
Okay.
Login details component.html.
Login details component.html login PG. No, I want to
Sorry. The login. Yeah, login. Yeah, here. Here I'm calling the logout on click.
session login service dot logout. Okay, you are directly calling this dot session is equal to none. Router link you have given, it is redirected. So admin dashboard that is not loading as expected. Apart from this, any other issue? We need to look into that admin functionality. When we log out, category menu should be coming here. When we log out, category menu should come. And when admin login, then only this menu should come. When the normal user access the application, it should display the product category menu option. Yeah, by default, it is giving only admin menu option. Category menu options are not coming. Product category. Part 0 product category available is dot role. Role is not printed. Session storage dot get item this dot user role. If user role is equal to normal user, then only it will print, otherwise it is printed. Okay, so the problem is if the role is not available, then also it is coming as a admin category. If the role is normal user, by default the user role is not available, right? Sadanand, you understand the problem?
Yes, sir, but I have placed it in the or condition. If normal user or blank, it should display the product category.
It should display the product category, normal user or blank. It is not coming as a blank then. Role is
It
coming
is printing as a blank, but
the role is coming as empty. Or else we can
even
do
undefined. I tried with undefined. It was not catching the.
okay. Check this. Display if role is empty. If it is normal user and if it is empty. For empty, you are just giving like this, right? Normal user or this one. Instead of that, I'm changing if user role is equal to this one or if user role is equal to empty. I just added extra condition here. Remove this. Yeah, now it is working now.
Yes, not so.
Right now, let me log in as admin user. admin@gmail.com. admin123. Now admin dashboard loaded, but this menu is not updated. That is the issue, correct? In the admin dashboard, now I think the role is
Sir, can you check the session variable in the application?
the admin user.
Admin user.
Uh, Go here to the browser. Let me log in. Open inspect. Local storage, nothing. Session storage, nothing. Role is stored as admin user. Okay. If user role is equal to normal user or if user role is equal to empty, it is loading. When it is loaded, instead of this ng template, let me take this only. If user role is equal to admin user.
Sir, there is one more change in the bottom of the file. We will require single quote, sir.
Region.
Some div might be missing, sir. I think because two conditions are placed in the IFNA, so else is required.
If user role is equal to this one, and I don't think the else is mandatory. In the ng template, there is a div I need to add. I need to remove this ng template. For this, I will take this one. That's right. If user role is equal to normal user, or if the role is not available, category menu should be loaded. If user role is equal to admin user, then only admin dashboard should be loaded. Yeah. So session dot user role, I am getting whatever the role is available. Okay. So once admin login, the button is not changed to log out. That also we need to check it once. Then close this URL. Open that. Session storage will be removed when I close the browser. I am opening the browser again. It is loading with the normal menu. When I log in, and this is not reflected. Category menu is not reloading, and admin dashboard having some duplicate data.
So that's the only HTML. I will share that HTML, but category is not loading for now.
Yeah, so this menu, why it is side menu, is not updating. We need to check it. So when we reload, it is updating. I think the category menu component is not reloading. After the login is completed, it's not reloading. It's only the router content is getting updated, but this is not getting reloaded. Okay, we'll see what is the solution for this. We'll fix this.
Okay, and even the model, like the model are not coming properly, sir.
Filtered orders, view details. So it is. Don't use model because the model state is not getting updated. Now you redirect to the separate component. Instead of your model, display separate page there. Then you will have your option to come back. No? Instead of model, you just give the separate page for that.
Okay, sure, sir.
Orders page is loaded now. When I click on this, redirect it to the another component instead of displaying as a model.
Okay, got it, sir.
That would be easy for us, right?
Sure.
Yeah, so we will look into this issue. The category menu is not getting updated. So we'll see what is the solution for this. And you work on this, remove the model part. When I click on view order details, so display all the order details in a separate page and give one option, go back to dashboard. Then when you click on hyperlink, you will come back to the dashboard page.
Okay, got it, sir.
We can make that change. Yeah, you update this dashboard also, remove the duplicate
Yes,
which is coming here.
yes, sure, sir.
Customers count, orders count.
I will do it, sir. It's just an HTML change.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so the changes which are there here. Let me push. Files are modified. Git GUI. Admin dashboard, spacing issues. Here Razorpay key updated. Order, new variable added for customer. Console options I removed. So the role issue, that ng template I have removed it. In the category I removed this statements. Okay, bug fix. Commit and push. Yeah, Kannan, if you have time, you can check this category. Once the admin is logged in successfully, the category is not getting reflected here. Kannan, are you there?
Yeah, yes, Ashok. I think we have to check in the app component because there only we are displaying that CSS,
Yeah,
right?
it is loading. I think so. What I suspect is once the user is login, only we are updating the body content with the router outlet. This sidebar is not getting updated.
Okay, okay. When you log in as admin, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This sidebar is not getting reloaded. We need to look into that, how to reload this sidebar also. In the app component, we are invoking that category. Once the user is logged in, that app component is not loading again. Because of that, only router outlet is loading and the sidebar is not loading.
Okay, okay,
So
Ashok.
for that, I think we need to reload the whole page.
Yes, yes.
Here,
App component only we have to change, I guess, because here only we are directing to category.
yeah, we are loading the
Yes.
category menu. Once the category menu is loaded, again it is not loading that. Only the router part will be loaded next time.
Okay.
You
So here,
understand what
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
trying to say?
Yes, yes. App component, product category. So these components only will come into the picture, right? I will look into that.
Correct. Only app component and category. See here, when we log in, the router outlet is updated. But the menu which is already loaded, the category component, it is not loading again. If it is loaded again, then the menu also will change. So now the menu is not changing.
Okay, okay. So the latest code for the admin is now it is checked in, right?
Yeah. So everything is available in the Git repository now.
I will
Just need to
run.
check how to reload the category component once admin is logged in. That's it. That is
Okay,
the
again,
solution.
okay, again log out. We have to back to the normal
Yes.
page.
When it is log out, we'll move it back to the normal.
Yeah,
So
okay.
it is in the login, in the logout. In both scenarios, category component should be reloaded. Then
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, sure. So we have to switch between the admin and the normal user.
correct.
Okay, okay. Okay, sure. I will look into that and we'll discuss tomorrow.
Yeah, you just look into that. So if you get any solution, just post in the group so that Sadanand also will look into that.
Yes, okay.
Sadanand, we will work on that category menu. You work on the remaining functionality. So this view products display a separate component for that. Okay.
Sure.
And once we log in, change this button to log out. Already Tejal implemented that for normal user, for the admin user also. When they log in, here we should get the logout option. When we click on logout, role should be removed.
Okay, sure, sir.
Actually, I implemented that also. I don't know why it's not working. For
So-
admin also, it was working previously.
Sorry, I'm
No,
not.
the pages are changed now. The pages are changed now. There are two
Okay,
different
okay.
pages.
Okay.
Fine. So once you guys complete these things, then we will integrate with the microservices, guys. So like Eureka server, PN client, okay, admin server. We will add all the microservices concepts for this.
Yeah. So Ashok, do you have plan anything to go with the individual database to migration to microservice?
Sir, here individual database we can't maintain because there is a relationship, right?
Yeah, relationship. Okay. In real time, such kind of scenarios might be
So if
useful.
your microservices are not sharing the data, if there is no relationship, then individual data DB per service concept we can implement. But in our scenario, DB per service concept will not work out.
Okay. So anyway, we are going to implement microservice, and we will have the inter-service communication.
Yes, we
But
will
in
have
the
a
same
microservices and the communication, the single database. All the microservices will talk to the single database. I can't separate the databases now.
Okay, Ashok. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Once microservices, it is converted to microservices, then we will see the deployment in the cloud API gateway. We will add, we will centralize all the things by using microservices. I will add Eureka server. I will register all these APIs with Eureka server.
Yeah, okay. We will also add a thing there, that Redis and Kafka for performance tuning something.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, good. So Kannan will work on this menu changing functionality and Sadanand will work on the pending functionality in the filters and dashboard.
Yeah, hello, Ashok sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi sir. Sir, if I place one more order with same email ID, how it will display order details page? Can you
Two
please
orders
check?
will be displayed for you.
Can you please check?
Yeah, sure. I will show you that scenario tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
I already placed one order. If I place one more order, so when I log in, that name, just one more record will be displayed here.
Yeah, this is admin dashboard, na? I am asking order details page.
Yeah, normal user. So when you log in here, sorry, I think my credentials are incorrect. In the table, one more record will come.
Yeah, in table, yeah, but it will display or not?
Currently, there is only one order is available.
Yeah,
Login, it is displaying now. So now if I place one more order, now we can
yeah.
right now proceed to checkout. Same email ID, same name. With the same mail ID, I am placing the order.
Yeah.
Place order. Is my backend working? No. Amount must be an integer.
The Razor Pay IDs are matching.
Razor Pay ID is changed, so I will update it. Tomorrow we'll show you
Yeah.
after
Yeah,
placing two orders how it will display. I will update
Yeah.
the Razor Pay keys.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. Good. So we'll continue in the tomorrow session. We'll hope the fixes will be ready by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow.